Hey there, my name is Trevor Brother. I'm the marketing director for builderall. I'm also a full-time online marketer and affiliate marketer for the past 2 years. Now, me and the builderall team, we want to invite you to a very special challenge we have going on right now. And that challenge is the 90-day marketing challenge. And what we're going to do in this challenge is we're going to teach you how to build a mega profitable online business leveraging the internet and social media, okay? And if you are skeptical, that's totally fine. You can go check out the testimonials right below this video. Now, the results aren't typical, that's not the average results, but those are the people, the top 20 people that have put in real work. They're really big action takers. They stick to the training and they didn't give up, okay? They had a lot of patience and they worked their butt off to get to where they're at now. Now, that doesn't mean you can do the same thing because it's totally possible, okay? We're all promoting the same exact product, which is our product builderall. And what builderall is, it's a digital marketing platform that allows business owners, really anyone online trying to make a website, sales funnels, email marketing. It allows them to create an online presence, build websites, build sales funnels, do email marketing, and has over 17 other digital marketing tools. Now, builderall has a huge audience, okay? We have millions and millions of people that can potentially use our product. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna teach you exactly how to promote the product, how to leverage digital marketing, and you're gonna learn some of the most advanced digital marketing that is out there on the internet currently. Whether that's leveraging YouTube videos, whether that's doing email marketing, doing messenger bots, doing Google ads, doing Facebook ads, doing YouTube ads, doing organic content, doing SEO, doing Quora, doing Facebook groups, Facebook profile, building up your brand, building up your social media, all that stuff. We're gonna teach all that stuff in a step-by-step training. All you have to do is walk through the training, get your sales, move on to the next set of training, get a certain amount of sales, move on to the next set of training. Eventually you'll unlock the super affiliate training where I put in some of the secret stuff I've never laid to the public that has allowed me to create a multiple six-figure business, and multiple other people have done the same exact thing using these exact strategies. So again, results aren't typical. You have to put in a lot of work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to take action. You have to follow the training, stick with it, and ask us questions. Go in our Facebook group, ask us questions. We don't mind. We want to help you. We want to help everyone create a digital marketing business because that's what our product is, and that's what we're all about. And so I invite you to join the 90-day marketing challenge with us. It's a very special invitation. It's all kinds of free training that you're not going to find for free anywhere else. We're going to teach you how to promote builderall in a profitable, lucrative, honest way, okay? So click the button right below. It's going to be a blue button. You're going to make your builderall account. If you don't have one already, it's going to give you a 7-day free trial to our platform, and it's going to unlock the first section of training for you. So you're actually able to make money promoting it on the 7-day free trial without even having to buy builderall at all. Because builderall, we have to charge for our service because we do website hosting, email marketing, so we have all kinds of expenses, so we have to charge for our product, obviously. So you're going to get access to our funnel builder. You're going to be able to build your own websites, check out the product, and you can even promote it yourself. And the training, if you don't want to promote builderall, you can actually use this training to promote any product in any niche. It doesn't really matter. The training, online marketing, it all works the same way. So I invite you to scroll down below, click the button right below this video to join us on the 90-day marketing challenge. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss out on this opportunity. It's going to be absolutely amazing challenge, absolutely amazing training. So again, I invite you to click the button right below this video and join us on the 90-day marketing challenge, and I hope to see you in there.